there's a question here, how many poses a photographer needs to know the least? This goes totally against what I just said, because if you keep thinking how many poses, you're never going to learn to pose. You need to learn what makes a good pose and go from there. I don't know how many poses I know. I don't have a card that I keep looking at, oh, pose number 1, pose number 2, pose number 36. No, that's not how it works, right? We're gonna never learn amount of poses, because if you let's say if you learn 15 to let's say if you memorize 20 poses, so all your photo shoots are going to be just 20 poses, everything's going to look the same all the time. Just think about this. Some couples will fit well with some poses, other couples will not. We face this every time we shooting. Some couples, you don't even need to pose them. You give them like a little bit of a direction and they just take off. And those are the ones that you're going to enjoy the most. Those are the ones you can take advantage of the most. In some couples, you have to pose every single piece. That's why it never works the way that you go like, okay, pose number 1, pose number 2, pose number 3. Because that doesn't work. The way you pose somebody who is skinny is different from the way you pose somebody who has a little bit more weight. The way you pose a couple at the same height is different from the way you pose a couple where the man is a little bit taller, right? So that's why those, pose cards, they don't work, because some people don't. Besides, are you going to be pulling cards on your photo shoot? Which kind of professional are you?